Good evening everyone. My name is J. Maris Laurente from BTBTED 83D. So our topic about cyber and digital literacy. So ano nga ba yung difference between cyber and digital literacy? So digital literacy, gumagamit ka ng technology. Gamit lamang ng mga bagay-bagay like Canva and PowerPoint. And cyber literacy, ito yung how to stay safe when using technology. So, kumbaga, siya, ethics on the use of your digital world. So, digital technology, kumbaga, mas malalim yung ating cyber literacy. Dapat hindi ka nagbubuli, hindi ka nang-hahack ng account. So, yun yung difference between cyber and digital literacy. So, the next is cyber citizenship in digital age. So, your role as a cyber citizen. So, the number one is use respectful and kind language. So, when replying to someone, post or joining an online discussion, avoid using bad words. And number two, treat others the way you want to be treated. So, dito, dapat i-treat mo ng maayos yung isang example, nag-online class kayo. Dapat, huwag kang mag-ingay or huwag kang magpasaway sa online class para i-treat ka ng maayos yung mga classmate mo. So, number 3, don't share private information. So, dito, never post or send details like your full home address or personal information in public space. So, number 4, don't plagiarize, steal information from web and use as your own. So, dito, when doing schoolwork or creating content or posting online, do not just copy word. Post video or idea. So the next is 5. Follow security measure. So do not click on link or downloaded file sent by unknowing sender. So wag natin click basta-basta yung mga file, baka may virus. Yan. So the next is internet safety. So internet safety or e-safety has become fundamental topic in our digital world, and including knowing about one's internet privacy and how one's behavior can support a healthy interaction with the use of internet. So internet safety, be careful about what you put on web. So dapat huwag ka magpo-post ng home address mo or photo that where you are like outside house or school. So the next is keep track of who you interact with on the internet. So huwag kang basta-basta mag-chat kung hindi mo kilala. So dito, internet safety, don't open any links in email or chat rooms that look suspicious or unfamiliar. So yung mga links na sinisend sa'yo, huwag mo basta-basta ipipindot or i-open. Baka may virus or baka ma-hack yung account mo. So huwag talaga basta-basta i-open yung mga links na sinisend sa'yo na unfamiliar. So that's on my topic. Thank you.